In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a shortcut key for a command in Microsoft Word. We'll start right inside Word. Open the Backstage menu by selecting File, then choose Options at the bottom. In the Word Options window, go to Customize Ribbon on the left. This is where you control what appears on the ribbon, but the keyboard shortcuts live just beneath it. Look for the Keyboard Shortcuts label and click the Customize button next to it. That opens the Customize Keyboard window, which is where all the shortcut magic happens. On the left, you'll see Categories. This helps narrow down the list of commands. If you know roughly where your command lives, pick that category. If you're not sure, select All Commands to get a comprehensive list. On the right, in Commands, scroll to find the exact command you want to trigger with a shortcut. Take your time here. Word has a lot of commands, including some that don't appear on the ribbon at all. Once you've highlighted the command, click into the Press New Shortcut key box. Now press the key combination you want to use, like Ctrl plus Alt plus a letter or a function key. Word will instantly show the keys you pressed. Right below, it will also tell you if that combination is already assigned to something. If it is, you can decide whether to override it or try a different combination. A good rule of thumb is to avoid replacing shortcuts you use often, and to choose combinations that won't conflict with your operating system or other accessibility tools. When you're happy with the combination, click Assign to link that shortcut to your selected command. Before you leave, look at the Save Changes and dropdown. This determines where your shortcut is stored. If you choose the current document, the shortcut will only work in that file. If you choose a template, it will be available in any document based on that template, which is ideal if you want something you can reuse across projects. When everything looks right, click close to exit the Customize Keyboard window, then click OK in the Word Options window to confirm your changes. That's it. Your shortcut is now ready to use whenever you need that command. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and adjust it. With this setup, you'll save time on repetitive actions and keep your hands on the keyboard more often. It's a small tweak that adds up to a big productivity boost.